video is going to be super duper interesting. Also make sure that you subscribe to my channel because I'm going to provide you with amazing videos that you wouldn't want to resist. Also click on the notification bell to get updated whenever I post a new video. Give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below if you have any suggestions and share this video with your friends and family. So as you can see, I have changed my setup today, like this background thingy a bit, and I really am loving this. So I will show you all of this in the next video. I have a vlog coming or a challenge coming up soon, so you will probably see the entire thing in a detailed explanation, and that is just a little disclaimer for the next upcoming video. So let me tell you that today's video is a get ready with me and also a Q&A. So it is going to be very fun, and let's move on to the Q&A. So this video is in collaboration with my friend Debangi, and she is also a YouTuber just like me. And yeah, she is a very aesthetic person by nature, I must say, and I hope that you will subscribe to her channel. The link is in the description. Go subscribe right now because her content is amazing. Here is a small introduction.
Hi guys, my name is Debangi Das, and I am a YouTuber slash student. I make videos on lifestyle content, vlogs, videos related to music, and I also make all types of things basically. So yeah, this is my first ever collab with one of my good friends, Apurva, and we're doing the first collab together. I am so excited. So today I'm going to be answering some questions related to us. We're basically doing the same video. We're doing like the Q&A get ready with me videos on both of our channels. Please go check it out. So yeah, I am going to be answering some questions that Apurva has sent in me related to our friendship. So she sent me like 5 questions. I'm gonna answer 1, 2, and I'm gonna answer 3 of them. Okay, so the first question is, are we in the same class? So Apurva, if you didn't know, I am in 8th grade and Apurva is also in 8th grade. So answer to this is yes, we are in the same grade, but just that our sections are different. But other than that, we are in the same grades. We're in 8th grade. So yeah. Next question. How did we become friends? So basically Apurva and I known each other like in 6th grade. We didn't talk that much, but I feel so in 6th grade we knew each other, but we didn't talk that much at that time. So I definitely feel like we've gotten a lot closer with each other because of this YouTube and this whole quarantine thingy, and we've become really good friends now than we were before. So yeah, I'm really glad and grateful for that. I'm nervous, okay, this is my first collab. I'm a little nervous. Please excuse that. Also, I'm like literally sweating. My fan is off because I want you guys to get my voice clear. Okay, now next question is, what do you feel about Apurva? Okay, so as you guys know, Apurva and I recently become really good friends, and so honestly Apurva is such an amazing person. I've seen her grown like so fast in YouTube. Her channel is truly amazing. She is super duper talented. I love her dancing, her arts and crafts, literally everything she has done so amazing. Like she has grown into such an amazing person. Her channel is growing so fast. I am so happy for her and I wish her the best. And next question is, are you going to do future collabs too? Okay, so the answer to this question is you never know, we might. Since this is our first collab, we cannot give you like more spoilers, so stay tuned for more collabs. So hopefully we do one very, very soon. Fingers crossed. Okay, and I think that's all the questions we have. Thank you for including me in your videos. I am so grateful that I reached out so that we can do this collab. I am super duper excited for you guys to see this video. It's already out, so you're seeing this right now. So yeah, thank you very much. I really appreciate you. I wish you the best, Apurva, and you're a great friend. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys. Bye.
All my questions, and now I'll be answering those questions. So just to begin with the get ready with me or the GRWM, like it's my first ever Q&A as well, the GRWM. So I will be using Sparvex sunscreen. I've already applied moisturizer on my skin, and that's why I'm starting with the sunscreen. These products are completely not sponsored, the first thing to tell. And also, I also wanted to tell that this video has to be mostly unfiltered and raw, because Q&A, the fun of Q&A lies in unfilteredness or raw content. So let me tell you some basic things about myself and everything. So my name is Apurva Roy, and the thing that you will want to know about me and my channel, both the things connect to me and my channel, is that I post dance, art and videos like this one. But my main content is dance, and I have a lot of dance videos coming up soon. I am preparing for that. Past 2 months have been hectic due to many reasons, you can say, and that is the reason I didn't make any dance videos, and that's why I just posted one dance video, that was Arohanam. That was also shot quite a long time ago, in April, and I didn't post it due to some other issue, but no problem. Now that it is posted, you can see it. I'll link it in the I button. Go ahead and check it after watching this video. So yeah. So the first question is from a senior of mine, Kamakshi Didi, and she has asked that if I could get a tattoo, what will it be? So if I wanted, I am not into tattoos that much, and I don't, probably my name tattoo or a tattoo, a floral tattoo. Okay, so applying my foundation, now it's 128 warm nude. I am doing a natural makeup look. I'm going to show you all how I do my natural makeup look, even though I don't apply makeup on a daily basis, which is completely true, because in school and in the daily work you don't really require makeup. So yeah, white coat of the foundation all over my face. Maybelline has a high cover foundation as well, and I'm just going to dab this. So I'm also going to move on the next question, which is, who is my favorite English singer? Yeah, so my favorite English singer is a tie between Ariana Grande and Billie Eilish, basically. I both of their songs, really, I can say that, and I started listening them, you can say, 2 years back, when the pandemic hit, because you cannot lie without music. Music is a stress buster, music is an anxiety releaser, music is everything. Even when I hear music, I have the beat feeling in me, I need to dance. So that feeling comes while hearing to music, and yeah, that is the thing. Okay, so the next question is, which phone do I own? So I own Redmi Note 4. I actually don't remember my phone name that much. It's very old. Okay, it's very old. I've been using it since a long time now. Let's take the fourth question before moving on. So it is, my friend Hitanshi, who has given these past two questions, has asked me to show my handwriting. Like, she's senior to me, Hitanshi D. So you can see my handwriting on the scale, like on the screen. मेरी handwriting बहुत great नहीं है. It's like, it's very medium. It's very average. What can I say? It's good, but I like it. It's good. That is all what I want to say about my writing. आपको कैसा लग रहा है? Comment down below. बताओ मुझे comments में क्या कहना है आपको. Okay, so the next step is of course concealer. I'm using a concealer from Oriflame. I don't know the shade. Maybe it's Sunny. Okay, this is from my junior Pushkar. Like, he's in grade 7th, yeah, I guess in 7th or 6th. Okay, so my favorite cartoon is Shin-chan. Those of you who do not like Shin-chan, please bear with me. I really like Shin-chan. It's very nice. Like, it's seriously very nice. And my favorite TV show is TMCOK. I really love watching TMCOK, and I'm watching it from my like, since I was small. It started in the year 2008, I guess, and so yeah, that is that. Okay, now my favorite movie. Let me tell you from cartoon movies only, or like, because I watch cartoon movies more. Rather movies, I would say series, because it's a series. Just Add Magic. I love Just Add Magic. I've seen it like 3 to 4 times now. I am a crazy fan behind Just Add Magic, but I've not seen it 25 times like some other friends of mine, because like they are a much more crazier fan than me. And lastly, my favorite YouTube channel is Remora Vlogs and Team Naj. Like, if you don't know about Remora Vlogs, go check them out because they are so cool. Like, let me tell you, they are the coolest YouTubing channel I've seen till now. So that this video is going to be lengthy. Make sure that you have a tea or a coffee in hand. Okay. Now the next questions. Let me stop for a bit here because I have a few funniness questions. I'll take them all together and then I'll be moving to my makeup ahead. So my favorite places where I want to go after the pandemic: Kerala, Jaipur, Assam, definitely. And once Kolkata also. Like, though I go there every year, but I want to go to Kolkata again. And Tamil Nadu. I don't really get that. So this question was from my friend, like from a lot more senior than me, Sakshi Didi. And my favorite song, my current favorite song is Aigiri Nandini by Broda V. Like, I hope I'm pronouncing them like that right. And the last question is my idol. My idol is, first of all, my parents, my friends, and my dance teacher. And then if you would ask from YouTube, Team Naj for dance. And yeah, I consider like these people only my idols. I learned many things from each one of them. And so, thank you. Okay, now let's come to a rapid fire. Early bird or night owl? Of course, a night owl. I can like wake up and study because I love waking up at night. Long hair, short hair. Long hair, definitely. I had short hair, mushroom cut, and now that I see that, I hate it. I love long hairs. Coffee or tea? Of course, coffee. I don't like tea that much. I love coffee, and especially dalgona or cold coffee. Introvert or extrovert? An extrovert, because I love making new friends, and I enjoy like a lot with my friends because I can talk to them. I learn many things from them, so I enjoy making new friends. It makes me learn a lot and makes me more confident, I guess. Dancing or singing? Of course, dancing. That's what my channel is all about. Billie Eilish or Ariana Grande? I said that both of them are my, in my favorites, I guess. But rather I'd say Billie Eilish is more favorite to me. Why? Because I've heard more songs of her and I love her song more. Burger or pizza? None of them really, but pizza if you say. Beaches or mountains? Beaches. I love beaches. I love mountains too, but beaches. Kid or an adult? I think... Okay, so I was processing. I still don't know the answer, but I think a kid works better. It gives you more opportunities though, so yeah, a kid works more better. I'm done with a lot of questions. Right now I have many more questions in my list which I'm going to take. Let's take up few more questions while doing my eyes. So for my eyes I'm going to use this palette. This is from Revolution, the Division palette, and my eyeshadow brushes. I have only 2 eyeshadow brushes. I'm still in the process of collecting brushes too. So I'm going to use this smaller brush with this tip, and yeah. Let me answer some questions from my senior Tanishka Didi. Okay, so who is my favorite senior? So my favorite senior are Hitanshi Di and Chavi Di. Hitanshi Di and Chavi Di. And I love both of them so much because they're very nice. They are my favorites because they're very nice and I really like how they are, their personality and thing. So I'm taking this nude eyeshadow. Can you see it? I hope you can see it. So I'm taking this nude eyeshadow from Revolution's palette, which I'm going to apply on my eyes. This video is literally going to be a good length because yeah. Okay, so I want to continue YouTube? Yes, I want to just to share my dance videos and entertain you all. I'm applying a very nude eyeshadow. Okay, the next question is, do I want a job or business? No, I don't want a job or business. Not really. And the third question is, what is your dream of future career? My dream of future career is of becoming a dancer, and yeah. So I'm taking small steps, whatever I can do. And that was about that. I've done a very basic and a light shadow, though I didn't apply concealer. Now I'm remembering that. So I did my eyeshadow off camera and I also applied some compact because I had forgotten that earlier, and I put on this nude eyeshadow which is looking pretty cute. Only one single eyeshadow with a little concealer below, which I had forgotten earlier. Obviously I told. Now moving on to the next questions because we have more questions pending. So the questions that I've got next are from my friend Alankrita, and I'll also do my liner along with it, which is the Lakme's iconic eyeliner. And the questions from my friend Alankrita are, what does my channel's name mean? Like my name. So my channel's name was earlier The Modern Rita. If you're new, so you would not know it. If you want to see that with my video with that name, the first video is with that name. I changed the channel's name because I wanted channel's content to be diverse, that's why. And my name basically means to be unique, to be one of a kind, and yeah, that is the meaning. Did my entire look behind the camera? Yes, because the video is going too lengthy. All the products are linked down below because I could not show you many of them. Though is my makeup. I hope you can see it well and you like it. It's just my face looks completely different like this and like this. The before and afters. Okay, so now I'm going to answer the remaining questions which are like on my laptop. Questions quickly to get to the end of this video. What is the motive of starting the channel? This is the question from my friend Alamkrita. Now the next few questions are from her only. What is the motive of me starting the channel? So my motive is to spread the dance form. Like my motive is to spread the dance form which I'm currently learning, and to spread whatever learnings and things which I've learned with you all, so you can also implement them in your life and learn something new from my videos and enjoy my videos. And yeah, support me. Thank you. If I could collaborate with any one YouTuber, who would it be? So if I could collaborate with any one YouTuber, it would of course be Team Nach. I'm very desperate to collaborate with them, but I hope that this happens soon in the future. 3 reasons anyone should subscribe to my channel, and what will be my promise to my audience. So 3 reasons are: first, I will entertain you. I will share some very important things or interesting things with you on my channel, like various interesting dances or new art forms and stuff like that. And the third thing is there is going to be loads and loads of fun on this channel, so you definitely don't want to miss any fun, right? So subscribe right now. What are you doing? So my promise to you all, which is the second question, will obviously be that no matter what, due to exam, I do have to take breaks, but I promise I will not stop making content. I will make content for you, and I will make amazing content for you. 3 things that you should know about me. Okay, my name is Apurva. I'm 13 and I love dancing. These are just the 3 things. Yeah. I personally love to answer all of your questions and wanted to share this entire makeup routine, but okay, there's a time bounce. Like the video is getting so lengthy. So I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.